Good boy. Good sit. So we're gonna do some nope, sit. Good. Do some confidence pull. Free. Come up. Get it, boy. Good boy, look at there. Good boy. Way to go, Troop. Yeah. Man, what a difference a couple days make. That's a good boy. Hey, hey, looky here. Yes. Good boy. Come on. Get in there. Get it. Nice job, buddy. Super. How you doing, Mr. Bear? You want to play this game? You want to play this game, buddy? Huh? Yeah, I've never had a problem with it. This guy's doing so good. And we moved his kennel today from this one and set it up over here in the corner. Let's see how he does. Hey, come here, kennel. Good boy. Good. Yes. Good. Come over here. See if we can get you to go in this one. You need to grab your leash because you don't like this one. Come here. Hey, hey. Kennel. Good boy. No. Back in there. Kennel, good dog. So we're starting to have him not only go in there, but start to honor the command. Now he's gotten over the apprehensive aspect of doing it. Now we're going to tie the behavior that you do it and you stay in there. Just like when he goes on a climb, he stays on a climb. And when he goes on a sit, he's supposed to stay in the sit. Yes! Good dog. Kennel. No. Nope. Come on, kennel. Good. Good boy. No. Get in there. Good. No. Come here. Kennel. Good. Now that we can give him a little leash pressure, it doesn't scare him. Nope. Kennel. We'll be able to train him a little bit better. Because at first when he was so scared, if we pull on the leash, he just didn't understand it. It freaked him out. So we had to build his confidence that the leash isn't a bad thing. And so we can use it directionally to help him understand what we're wanting. Good! So good means, I like what you're doing, keep doing it. Your reward's coming to you. Good. And YES means you're free from your command. Come to me for your reward. Yes! Good dog. Let's go over here. Climb. Good boy. Yes! Atta boy. Good job, buddy. Hey, can you touch? Good boy. Just a good puppy. Just a baby. Good, climb. That's a boy. That's a good dog. Hey. Free. Tripper here. Come on. Good. Here, get it. Good boy. Atta boy.